Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm looking at some very cool squishies. These are NeeDoh. These are nice Berg swirls. Two different versions that are available. I just want to show you the colors in these things. Don't be fooled by the knockoffs. The NeeDoh is really super quality. I mean, they're very, very heavy. This is how they come packaged in very bright colors, you can see here. But the swirl is just like almost like translucent. It's kind of weird. I want you to just take a look at it. You can see through my hand. It's like translucent, so you get that like swirl effect going there all around because it's the brand NeeDoh, of course, and that's what's unique about these here. There's like the coloring is actually the cube itself is clear, but there's the what do you want to call it? The swirl effect is on the outside of the cube, which makes it very unique and different. Like again, you can see my hand on the other side of this cube. Very, very cool. And this one is the same thing on this one as well. Let me show you this one here. You can see right through a little bit. Hopefully you can see there. You can see my hand a little bit in the back end of it. This one has a little bit more color to it. Not as translucent as the other one, but you get the idea. Look at that psychedelic, like 60s, 70s, very cool, bright neon looking swirls. I love these guys. Fantastic. Definitely pick these up. They're fun and they're very, very heavy, very solid, squishy. So this is definitely the way to go. NeeDoh is what they're called. Nice Berg swirl, super solid, squishy. That's what we have today. So I hope I brought you some value with this review. These are pretty big. These are nice big squares. I would say these like a 4" by 4" right around there, approximately round. And they're heavy duty. And I'll leave a link and as an affiliate link. As you do know, we do get a small commission for these types of videos. That's to help, just to be fair and transparent. So to bring you some value. So I want you to see what they look like. So when you're shopping online, don't be fooled by the knockoffs. Definitely stick with the NeeDoh, the high quality, the quality of the colors, definitely the way to go. And that's what I'm going to say. And that's all I'm going to say about that. Okay, guys, appreciate it as always. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, follow the channel for more videos just like this. Appreciate your time as always. And keep it rocking and rolling with NeeDoh. Very awesome. You know, years ago, we used to have the stress ball. Remember the old stress ball, guys? I don't know if anybody remembers the stress ball you used to get. It's kind of not, this is kind of like the stress ball is like the grandfather, right? All these things are like really, really cool. And all the kids absolutely love them. And that's absolutely amazing. All right, guys, thanks for watching. Appreciate your time as always. Make it a great day.